Everybody say hi.
Hello.
Hi. Here. Wait. It's already hitting on that surface.
See right over there by that tree? If I can cast that far. Almost. This is just like in Jaws when they're waiting for the shark. I got it.
Oh, it looks like a pretty good one too, doesn't it? Wait a minute. Hold it just a minute. Hold on. Yep, okay, we're good. Okay. Now, let's do this. Get this out of the way.
The bait bucket's over the side right there, Dad, so when you open the door, you're gonna...
A small one.
Hey, we'll take any fish we got. Channel cat. About 5-6 pounds.
Big ugly.
They're ugly, but I tell you what, they're fun.
Those are the ones that are good eating.
These are the ones that we could eat.
All right, first fish on board.
I felt bigger than it actually was. The only problem with fish. I feel bigger than they actually are.
Oh boy, he took it. Holy mackerel, he took it. Look at that.
You might have told me to wait too long.
You want to just cut it and... Can you get to it? Can you get to it with the forceps? Give Grandpa the...
No, I can't.
Here, give Grandpa those scissors right there.
I'm on 3.
Something big jumped out there. All right, Chris,
Did
hold
you
your
get a
fish.
picture of it? You want have your daddy get a picture of it?
Yeah, well, I got the video going so we could take... Now remember those fins have barbs in them, so that's a pretty color though. All right, cool.
All right, first fish on board, man.
Yeah.
Wow. 125 feet, Les. What? 125.
There we go. Okay, that's heavy. Right-handed, what the hell?
Hold up, you got fish.
No, I got a fish.
Hey, that's good.
And I'm gonna break the handle off your reel because
That's the right-handed.
it's a right-handed reel.
Isn't that a big? That is the awful thing to reel in. And you got to put a
People shouldn't have to reel with their right hand if they don't want to. There's the way. I mean, it's...
You gotta hold them by the lip.
Now, hang on,
Okay.
man. How about a glove or something? Because these...
right there, back there. Okay.
I don't know if they got teeth or what.
Left hand.
Now I'm gonna cut the
Line.
Well, let's see how bad it is. How bad are your teeth? Do you?
beautiful man rockfish. That is great.
We're going gilt.
I have it all
You have to handle them really carefully because they. Here, let me cut it right now.
No, I can get it. I can get it. I can get it.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
It's right there.
It has its brain though. Is that its brain?
No.
It's his
Some brain.
insides.
They don't have brain.
They have brains.
That's
My
hooked
brain
bad.
might
now.
be
Kind of about the size of yours. Hey, look what your daddy got.
You better hurry up.
Yeah, we gotta get him back in the water.
I'm trying, believe me. I got his insides up here in
That's
my
the
hand.
problem. Yep, that's why I wanted to cut it.
Got it.
You got a picture of it?
Here, hold
Yeah,
on.
Beautiful. How many pounds? 15?
15 easy. Okay,
Got it.
let me get him revived here.
Beautiful. That one surprised me.
You saw it come up, you're like, oh wow.
Yeah.
No, not your hook. Oh, you still got water rubbing these things?
Ah!
What are we doing? What do you mean, Brian?
Small boat hook, fish gaff thing.
Don't pay attention to your dad.
Get off of me.
Listen, you're okay?
Jen would be freaked out right now.
No,